I started to notice cracks in the ceilings and in the walls, and I kept repairing them, and they kept coming back bigger and deeper. I started noticing the tiles start to crack, and I had really big gaps in the grout and breaks in the tile. So I tried to put a little band-aid over that with some grout, and they came back bigger. And then I noticed I was putting up some curtains out on my lanai, and the level was not level. I noticed a significant drop in the corner of the house, which is right by the canal, and that was alarming to me because I didn't want the pool to end up in the canal. So I just talked it over with my husband. He said, find somebody to come fix this. And so I went online and I did my work, and I had a couple different companies come out. Their team was on time. The first set of guys came out. They were so professional. They showed up, they did their work, they dug their hole, they did everything. They even fixed the area after they were done. It was really, really well done. They were in and out in a couple hours. And then the following 2 days later, I had a group come in and do the entire house, and they did all of their injection points around the house, and they showed up on time with a smile. One of the workers was coincidentally named the exact same thing as my robot pool cleaner, so we had fun with that. It was just a really pleasant experience. Manny really knew his stuff. He was out here telling me, reinforcing the idea that I was doing the right thing, because coming off that much money was a lot, but it needed to be done. And the peace of mind surrounding this experience has been worth every penny. This entire house, he pumped goo under this whole house except for where my master bedroom is, because I had the laminate flooring and nobody wanted to destroy that, and I don't want to replace that. So I had concerns that the whole house was now secure except for that small area. So he put a bunch of rods or some kind of measuring devices into the ground, and he assured me that the reason we didn't do the master is because it didn't need to be done. So that helped with my peace of mind in that my house is secure. I am a firm believer in everything being energy, and the house is more stable. Like, I feel walking through the house that the energy of the house is finally at peace. It seemed stressed in every way, but the house itself feels more stable, especially in the kitchen where I had some serious, he said I had 22 feet of hollow underneath. I had these hollow spots underneath my kitchen. Just walking through the kitchen, I can feel the difference in the energy in the floor. I no longer am stressed about my house falling into the canal. The experience alone, like knowing that living on top of a sandbox, if you will, Cape Coral was basically erected on an anthill, and being able to know that I can recommend somebody to come out and fix this issue that all of the carpenters and contractors and builders seem to just kind of just skim right over. It's the foundation. It's supposed to be the most important piece of the construction process. Having a company like Helical come out and fix the foundation underneath this insanely big home is just an absolute blessing. And for others that are on a canal and have had issues with the canal coming into their pool after a hurricane or three, the peace of mind behind that this product that they put underneath my foundation is not only going to adhere to all of the sand that I'm currently on, it's also going to outlast my lifetime, and that I have the transferable warranty that I can give to the next person who owns this beautiful home, along with peace of mind that it's not going to slip into the canal. All in all, it was a really great experience, and definitely if your house is slipping or you just feel that energy shifting underneath your feet, I say make a call. I mean, let them come out and assess your situation and go from there.